So how are you gonna get your parcel?
So I just need okay, I've done this before, but like I just need to put
The PIN number?
the PIN number.
And you got it from the your email.
You're from my email, yes.
Yep.
And
You
then
just have to key in numbers.
and then it should stay.
Yeah. So the number will be G2. So it's here.
And it's
Automatically, yeah. So you got your oh, this is big.
Okay, wait.
There you go.
It's heavy.
It's heavy. It's a book, you guys.
It's the book. Taxi.
Yes.
And my food.
And your food. Well, we got it for free though.
For free.
We got it for free.
Best food. Well, not the best, but you know, for now, yes.
We don't get free food for breakfast, but for lunch, we got it just now from like one club. What club is it? Like something good for Jesus Christ, is it? And she was like promoting it to her. And then obviously we asked like, you know, if this is vegan for vegan, and yeah, so we got this.
It's Credo Club.
What? Credo Club?
Because
Oh, okay.
Credo means like
Credo or Keto?
no Credo.
Oh,
means
Credo.
Word of God.
Oh, Word of God.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think
Oh.
it's Spanish as well. I know.
Oh, that's also in
And
Spanish.
Latin.
Oh, right.
Same.
Now I know. General knowledge. Okay, now we're here. Ta. And yeah, from here, you can go straight to your room. And by the way, this is in Yura. And if you have guests, so you can sign up here, and they can go to your room. So, but I don't have to use this machine because I got my own card. Ta-da! Yep. At level 8, we have music room. We have music room. We have a place where we can play table tennis. And we have the laundry as well. And toilet. Okay, let's go to the music room. Oh, you have a computer room here as well. Alright.
That's not one too. Oh, it's open.
It's opening.
Yeah, like. Oh wait, the curfew for the. You know that we went. Oh no, but.
No. Wait, open it.
Okay, it's my turn now. It's actually.
Oh, we need the card.
Yeah.
No, I have like this. No. Oh my God, what's my phone? Oh, I'm holding it right now. Someone in there.
Oh, never mind. I don't know.
So, this is the apartment of Rauda. And this is Rauda's room, right? Letter B. And then, so she has 2 toilets, yeah, 1 and 2, and 2 showers, 1 and 2, and also she has a mirror. Hello. Okay, moving on. This is the kitchen. Say hi.
Oh hi.
This is the kitchen, and this is her fridge, and she's gonna put her food. Where's your side?
This side.
All right.
Okay. What? Okay, I'm just gonna put it
Okay,
here.
this fridge literally is like everything's just like so like healthy. Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is my friends. Okay, this is my side. My side as well. Here. And this is my friends.
Our friends.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, wine. Who drinks wine by
wait.
themselves?
And yeah, I put my stuff in here. And we have. Oh, okay. Show them around. The
Yeah.
living
Oh,
area.
yeah. Oh. Okay, yes, this is the living room, right? Oh, look at this. They're so organized. Like, they have like what is this thing? Oh, a clean roster. Yes, and another fridge. And look, these are the views from Yura. Well, you can only see our reflection. But if you look closely, you can see like the buildings there. And yeah, like it's amazing. Like, whoa.
I can show you my room later. The reason why we put the stuff there because our rooms are actually pretty small.
Oh, yes.
It's shared room.
So,
yeah.
And yeah, unlike my room, which has a balcony, and I can put.
I don't have a balcony. Oh my god. Oh, let me just put it in my room. I can just put it in my room.
Healthy food. Well, not healthy.
Oh, this is healthy though. I mean,
that's healthy, yeah.
Look at this. 5 star.
5-star. That's very healthy.
I mean, okay, not this, but
No, that's healthy.
This is healthy.
But to limit, like
this is only 4, yeah.
4.
But the rest here in the fridge are all healthy. But you know, sometimes you need this, right?
Yeah, you
In your life.
Yes, the thing is, you cannot eat like healthy food all the time because your body will crave for something.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay then. Well,
Okay.
bye. So, I'm going now to Rauda's room. Letter B. Hey.
Hello there. Well, this is my room. Welcome. And oh, I have that free.
This one. The only thing you got from
Microsoft. From the all day.
From all day, yeah.
Yeah. So we have this festival thing. So like, we got free stuff.
Yeah, but she got a high five.
Oh my god! Oh, let me show you. In this room, you can put a lot of stuff in it. Like, you see? Okay, this is all the free stuff that I got.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna put.
Food.
Okay, so the food is in this area.
Nice.
I'm gonna put the food here.
Nice.
Okay. And yeah. So yeah. So I don't have the balcony, so right. And even if you open it.
Do you have nice views though?
No, you
No.
can see yourself.
So sad.
No, you can see maybe your neighbor or I don't know.
No, we don't want to see.
We don't want to
see neighbors. Yeah.
Right, so we are having our dinner now. And look at this. These cookies. This is actually my favorite, yeah. So when I'm here in Australia, I will get like one of these cookies. And I asked her to try, and now she put it in the microwave, and you have to put it for 10 seconds only. Okay, and
Okay, wait.
I just want to see her reaction. It's the moment of truth.
Okay.
It's good, right?
Very good. Oh my god.
Okay.
No, this is very good.
Tell them how you feel.
I feel like
Okay.
like I'm in little cloud,
Ooh.
like on a chocolate cloud.
What is it? It must be of Katy Perry song. Wait, what? In the cloud? Like what?
It's like so smooth, sweet,
Yeah.
but not heavy. It's like consistent, but
Yep.
not. It's just perfect.
Perfecto.
Perfecto. Está buenísimo.
Oh, there you go.
Delicioso, delicioso.
Delicioso. Voila.
Voilà. C'est très délicieux.
C'est très délicieux. By the way, I forgot to mention something. Here in UTS, you can get help from helps to improve your writing, your speaking, your grammar. These are
yeah, how to critically think, read and write in an academic context, how to analyze and plan your assignments, how to manage course readings and make notes, and how to edit and proofread your assignments. It's actually really good for you if you need help. And yeah, here, assignment support, academic writing support. You can meet them. Yeah, they are in building 1, level 5, room 25. And this one is now. Okay, welcome home. Oh, now. This one is just if in case if I need help, if there's an emergency, I'm just gonna call them. It's the number, security, or anything. All right. Right, all good. All good. And here you can only see white wall, not a nice view at all. And hello neighbor. You can see, yeah, from here you can see the building. All right, let's see what we have. Ta-da. So I'm gonna do my laundry and I'm just gonna put all my clothes over there. Oh, hi. The weather? Yeah. It looks pretty good, yeah? It's not raining. Hi. This is my... You just woke up. No makeup. Okay, no makeup. See the building. It's the old building, yeah? It's the old building. And now we're here at Yura, UTS Accommodation. Okay, so see you guys. Oh,
See you.
see you. Wait, do this.
See you.
Wait, see you. Wait, what? See?
See you.
You. See you. Bye. Ding.